Yan. Yan. Okay. Yan. Feeling lazy today, but magja-jogging pa rin kami. Jog done. Just waiting for Liz. Dom, how was it? Wow, super good. Super nice. Yeah. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Dubai. Just. Gusto pa niya umikot. Ano pong masasabi niyo sa resulta ng eleksyon? So, ayun na nga. I got bored, so I decided to have another tattoo. It has been a goal of mine to add new ones kasi parang gusto ko magkaroon ng patch tattoos on my arm. So, ayan, ginawa ko siya. I did it. It was fun and I got excited. So, mag-add na naman ako siguro a few more in the future. Hindi naman agad-agad. I usually add my tattoos depending on my experiences or what I feel. Like for now, I want to achieve balance. So, I picked yung koi na parang yin and yang to symbolize my goal of achieving balance in my life. And another one I added is this Italian quote, or Latin quote, which says, Amor vincit omnia. Means love conquers all or love overall. Yan lang naman. Pero syempre after mo masaktan, 'di ba? Kakain ka muna. So we tried this viral Japanese place sa MOA. Parang nagluluto sila nitong parang burger patty style na food, and then they cook it right in front of you. Tapos may mga instructions on how to eat it. The place was really nice. Nandiyan ang mga kubiertos. You see how they prepare it. So, it was very interesting. I don't like it ng medyo rare. So, medyo medium well yung pagkaka-request namin. May kasama din siyang soup, which was really good as well. And may mga iba-iba pang klase ng mga sauce that you can use to enrich yung lasa ng food na binigay sa'yo. And then, meron ding unlimited na broccoli. Syempre, kailangan natin yan greens or veggies, fiber from time to time. And I really enjoyed the food here. So, kitang-kita naman, napaka-juicy niya talaga. So, I really enjoyed it. I think I would go here again. Medyo mahal lang. And after that, Saturday naman, we decided to visit this coffee shop called Alo Cafe. Alo Cafe is like a Vietnamese-inspired coffee shop. Masarap naman yung nakain ko na banana bread. It was very interesting. The coffee was just okay. Very so-so. And I spent my Saturday with these people. My longtime friends Liz and Mayan. From time to time, we try to meet up and try out new restaurants or coffee shops. Hello. So today is a Monday. It's been a very crazy week for me. The past week, actually past 2 weeks, medyo wala ako masyadong time to work on my vlog, but I'm still continuously editing kasi nga kailangan focus tayo dito at consistent. Pero sobrang busy. I've been wearing so many hats recently, a teacher, a student, nakwento ko na yata to. And then recently, dumami yung work sa workshop that I joined. And nagmamark din naman ako ng papers for another job that I'm doing. So, good luck. Pero we have to find time for the things that you want to do. So ngayon, I'm on my way to the gym for a workout. kasi makikita yung tsura ko ng may ganyan ever. Hello. Some random thoughts muna. Nandito ako sa Robinsons, Manila. I rarely go here recently kasi nahihirapan na nga ako mag-travel papunta dito. Parang yung oras, tapos nakaka-stress paglabas mo ng mall. Ako lang naman to, nasistress ako, medyo magulo paglabas mo ng mall, even papunta mo ng mall, mga ganon. But anyway, so bago ako pumunta dito, basta parang may nangyari pa, may nag-aaway, may nagabulan sa kalsada. Tapos yung parang babae tsaka nakababatang lalaki, I'm just assuming anak niya, parang tumakas sila, hinahabol sila ng dalawang lalaki. Isang matanda na, as in like really old, like probably in his 60s or 70s. And then isa na younger, perhaps. Tapos may dumaan na jeep, biglang tumakbo yung nanay, yung babae tsaka yung nakababatang lalaki. Tapos huminto yung jeep, so hinabol sila nung dalawa pang lalaki. May hawak na something yung dalawang lalaki. I cannot figure it out because I was focused on driving. Wala akong panahon mag-usisa ng mga ganyan. Usually pag may mga ganong sitwasyon, I just remove myself from the situation. Pero at the same time, parang na-validate yung idea ko na ayoko talaga pumunta dito, naguguluhan ako dito. But anyways, kasi yung dati kong trainer, parang alis na siya dun sa gym where I used to frequent. So, at least, no, bago siya umalis, parang I asked if pwede kami mag-session. So, after that stressful experience, very minor stressful experience, magwo-workout naman ako. So, yun lang, random thoughts, parang gulo. Gulo na Maynila. Kamusta naman? I'm gonna miss this gym, which has been my home for quite some time, and I wish my former trainer Cedric all the best in his new endeavors. Friday group now turned Tuesday/Wednesday group. Okay, so today is a Thursday. Maaga ako natapos sa work like around 10:30. We just had some revision. I helped the students structure their revision guide and prepare for their end of the year exams. And then after nito, ako naman ang magpe-prepare for my school. Natapos ko na yung 3 readings that I have to read today. I still need to read 4 articles or research tomorrow. So I think matatapos ko yan. I've been using this app recently, yung Speechify, wherein parang nako-convert sa audiobook yung yung mga PDF files. So binabasa niya. So may audio kang pinapakinggan at the same time binabasa ko din. So para mas mabilis at mas mas pumapasok siya sa utak ko. It's working for me. Yeah, so that's what I've been doing recently. I'm now at Uptown Mall, but can I just say, Mega World parking sucks talaga. Kahit anong Mega World na mall, I think, name it, ang gulo. Just my thoughts. And my experience. Good luck. No, Sansa, wait. Wait, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's play. I just finished my grad school class. I think overload, brain overload, cognitive loading, lahat na. Parang gumanin yung brain ko. Why did I put myself into this? But it's so interesting. Ang grabe yung depth ng knowledge that was just imparted to me a while ago. Pero naman ko parang mainit. Hindi galit pero parang mainit na yung, parang may lagnat, parang uminit yung ulo ko sa dami na information. So kung kayo mag-grad school or mag-further studies, kailangan motivated kayo at gusto nyo talaga siya. Like right now, I think gustong gusto ko siya. Kaya kahit nahihirapan ako, parang I can see good things kasi very useful and practical the things that I'm learning. Yun lang, random thoughts. Happy Friday! Doing the Lazada run with Liz and Do. Good morning.
Morning.
Walang mainit ulo sa amin ngayon. I think ang catch, sabay-sabay dapat kami pumunta. Thank you. Oh. Hello. So that's how it's been like for the past few days. I met with some friends, nagkaroon kami ng opportunity, ilalayo ko lang yung mga wire. Kita-kita naman yung wire ng internet namin. But nagkaroon kami ng opportunity to run again. Tapos after nung run, I met with Camille and her husband. Naku, baka malagot ako nito. Her husband Ken after no run. So, they're based in Abu Dhabi na talaga. So, minsan lang napunta sa Philippines. So, natutuwa ako pag may mga ganong moments, like may mga friends ka na malayo na. Tapos, they will really squeeze you in sa mga schedules nila. Kasi, you feel na you're really important sa buhay nila kasi busy pagdating dito sa Pilipinas, time for family and everything. Tapos yun, pag nagkaroon ng opportunity na magkita kayo, it really feels good. So this whole week was, or past few days, pinagsama ko, I think 2 weeks or 2 weeks or 10 days tong vlog na to. Has been very enriching tapos recharging for me kasi naging busy sobra with work tapos patapos na yung school year and stuff like that. And yeah, yun lang yung overall update ko for the past few days and in terms of learnings, reflections ko, babalikan ko lagi yung idea of making time for the things you want to do, making time for the people you want to keep in your lives, and making time for yourself. I make it a point that every week, kahit sobrang busy ako, sobrang mahirap, others would ask, how do you do it? Hindi siya madali. Pagod ako. Pero I make the most out of the time I have. And for example, pag weekends, ano yan talaga, tatanggalin ko talaga yung any work or any school related stuff. Depende lang kung sobrang may immediate stuff akong kailangan gawin or may mga nakaligtaan ako na bagay. Pero pag weekends, talagang time for myself yan, time for my friends, time to chill. Kasi kailangan ibibigay ko yung time ko para sa trabaho ko, para sa ibang mga bagay na gusto kong gawin from Mondays to Fridays. Pero I make sure na Saturday and Sundays, wala akong iisipin na iba na magpapastress sa akin. So sana lahat tayo magkaroon ng ganong opportunities or time for ourselves, for the people, and for the people we love, and then for our dreams. And kung wala man ngayon, sana we continue to build a life na nakafocus sa sarili natin, na nakafocus sa pag-aalaga sa atin, sa sarili natin. And yeah, I guess that's just it. I have a couple of vlogs prepared and upcoming kasi magpupunta kami ng Sikihor in a few days. And yeah, after that, I'll continue to make updates for you. That's it. Thank you. See you on the next one.